Nandito po kami sa Kuya J restaurant. Tingnan natin kung ano makakain dito. Medyo social na kanilang restaurant. Tingnan nyo, oh. Upuan, ang ambience nila. At ito ang mga selection na kanilang menu. Yan, ang selection ng mga menu nila. Oh, meron silang crispy kangkong. Meron silang pinakbet, Pickle Express, beef caldereta. Meron silang lechong kawali, chicken seafood, rice and noodles, pancit, sotanghon, gisado, spaghetti, pancit canton. At yung salo-salo sets nila, kare-kare, beef caldereta, crispy pata, pochero, balolo, Tagalog. At meron din sila mga shakes and beverages, desserts. Yan, nakalitam. Siguro order din ako ng maiba naman. Kuya sa akin, pancit canton. Wag, sige, pancit canton na lang. Tapos crispy kangkong. At saka mango shake din. Thank you.
Ito po ah.
Okay. Inom tayong tubig. Sakit na ulo ko.
Yan ang naman shake.
Sobrang init na sa pinuntahan namin. Kaya inom muna tayo ng tubig. Yan, meron sila dito. Mani, peanuts. At meron silang prawn crackers. Okay, muna natin mani. Habang nag-ani tayo ng order. Adobong mani. Prawn crackers. Okay, oh. Bora, oh.
Sarap.
Yeah, we need some suka to dip in. Vinegar. Kuya, suka po. Hingi pa kami suka. Baka hindi naintindihan ng suka. Kuya, can we have some vinegar for the dip in for the prawn crackers? That is the suka? Oh, that is the social suka.
Okay.
Bahay, no? Nagdadungan ito mga style ng bahay. Yeah, it's nice to have this kind of house. The design. Just like, you know, contemporary style like this. Like the cabinets. And the mirror and the lights. And the walls.
It's good for a high ceiling.
Yeah, and also the mirror. Look at the mirror. Nice. And people will think when they come here, they think the food is expensive. But it's not.
Okay.
It's not expensive though, isn't it?
No, for
Huh?
Pinoy is there.
Mahal. Mahal means expensive. Thank you. Mango shake.
Mango shake in Buraka was sweeter. It was sweet and nice.
Ano palang order yan? Beef caldereta. Pancit canton.
Garlic rice.
Garlic rice.
Bali ang kulang daw po ay relleno, crispy pinakben, crispy kanto.
Crispy kangkong. Thank you, Tutoy. Kakain na naman tayo. Lalamon na naman, sinisimiya. Walang katapusang paglamon. Ayan, kakain yung tubig dyan. Ay, ano ba to? Ito lang ang pansit. Parang kakonti. Solo lang siya. Bigyan natin siya ng kalamansi. Yan.
Our favorites. Our favorites.
Tingnan natin ang lahok niya. Ano to?
It's prawns.
That is prawn. At saka ano to? Fish ball. Squid ball.
Oh. With the clementine.
And ano pa? Baboy. Parang siyang pansit canton na yung tao dito. Yung nasa pakete.
That's all the order.
Yeah, pansit canton and crispy.
Shall I eat or wait?
You can eat na. Don't wait. Kakay o pansit. Kaya na naman tayo. Itong pansit, canton. Tikman natin siya. Kanina umaga kumain na naman ako ng pansit. Ngayon pansit na naman. Walang katapos ng pansit. Ba't ang mga pansit ngayon, iba tatamis? Hinahalo na ng ano, asukal. No? Oyster sauce. How's your caldereta? How does it taste? What's your comment about the caldereta? Tell me.
Very nice.
Very nice? How's the meat? Soft? How about your fried rice?
Very nice.
Very nice as well. Oh my god, the music really makes me... Do you think... Mango juice. Hmm?
Absolutely.
You enjoy. Let me just taste one potato. Masarap. Masarap yung caldereta nila.
In my opinion, but
Yan.
you make it 10 times better.
Really?
For me, this caldereta is amazing.
So my caldereta is much better
Yeah.
than this. Well, thank you. Nasa nating crispy kangkong. Squid balls. Ayan na. Order namin ano. Crispy kangkong. Crispy kangkong. Ayan, ang order namin. Crispy pinakbet.
Did I order the pinapit or this one?
That is one mine. And then,
Relleno po.
rellenong talong. Thank you. Yan. So, try natin ang crispy kangkong nila. Mayroon sila dito dip sauce. Nag-order ka ba niyan? Ay, hindi ako nag-order niyan. I think, we didn't order this sa pinakbet.
I ordered this one.
You did?
Is that the fried vegetables? Yeah, that's the one.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. That's why I said I ordered that.
Meron na palang crispy pinakbet. Crispy pinakbet. Wow. How's the crispy kangkong?
Very nice.
Wow, ang lapad naman itong crispy kangkong na to, oh. Crispy kangkong talaga. Kita mo nga, ano, flower niya, legs. Kakayo, crispy kangkong. How's the crispy kangkong?
Okay. Isang ba?
Ba natin ang crispy pinakbet. Ang palaya. May comment lang ako dito sa crispy kangkong nila. Napaka-oily. Tingnan nyo naman oh. Oily siya. At tingnan yung kanilang pinakbet na crispy pinakbet. Ganyan pala yung tsura. Ano lang, parang fried lang na siya na gulay na nilagyan ng mga kung ano-ano ng butter. Parang halos pareho siya ng crispy kangkong. Tsaka yun. Tapos ang sausawan nila pareho din, look. Hindi ko alam. Ano kaya? Babalik na kami dito o hindi? What can you say? Are you going back here? How about you? Are you coming back here? Wala. Hindi na. No comment. So which one is do you like among the dishes that we ordered?
No.
Wala?
Because no. I've already tasted better.
Ayan.
The caldereta I'm eating is mostly cartilage and stomach.
Oh. So that you don't like it?
I just want some meat, not cartilage or stomach.
Pure lean meat. How's your tortang talong kaka? Not good? Basta pa yung niluluto natin torta na talong.
Marami ka ng
Ibig sabihin pala na hindi natin mauubos to. Pa-take away na lang. Ha?
Veggies, yeah.
Wag na? Ubusin na natin dito. Yung crispy pinakbet.